Hello, everyone. So, what we have learned before, we have learned pathogens. There are different pathogens. Because of them, we get some type of diseases, right? And like, for example, virus is there, then bacteria is there, then protozoas are there, helminths are there. Because of them, we get certain diseases, right? And we have seen that. But what we learned about bacteria, that bacteria has antibiotics, okay, antibiotics to cure them. We have, means man has discovered or man has produced antibiotics against bacteria to cure them, cure diseases caused by bacteria, right? But what in the case of virus cannot be cured by antibiotics. It needs vaccination, so what is the difference now? See, antibiotics uh, works on cell wall, okay. Means, for example, see, if we consider bacteria, then what does bacteria have? Bacteria has cell walls, plasma membrane, it has outer covering, protective covering, right? Glycocalyx, it has that. Then virus doesn't have membranes, right? It does not have membrane. Okay, so how to cure how to cure virus? Okay, so bacteria, see, antibiotics does only one work. What it does, it stops the synthesis of cell wall, or it breaks down the cell wall, and then it cures the bacteria, and then it cures the disease caused by bacteria. Okay, but in the case of virus, antibiotics cannot cure diseases caused by virus. Why? What is the reason? Because it doesn't have cell wall, it doesn't have membranes. Okay, so what we have done, we have removed vaccination. There are certain vaccinations to certain viruses, okay, diseases caused by viruses. So what we do, we give vaccination to a person, and that person's immunity start increasing, okay, start fighting, okay. So that immunity start fighting with the viruses, and then diseases caused by virus is cured, okay, and then the diseases caused by virus is cured, okay. First we will I'm giving you some points that you noted down. Like, for example, in the previous lecture also I have given you that deficiency, right? Means because of vitamin deficiency, which diseases affect and all that I have given that. But today also we will write some deficiency diseases, some genetic disorders, and some mineral deficiency diseases, okay. So that we will write. You note it down everything, and then we will go on PYQs, okay, previous year questions. Okay, let me check your comments. Okay, chalo, start. Now we will do what you do, everyone. Hmm. You all, what you do is you make a column. You make a column like this. Here, vitamin deficiency. Then its name, vitamin name, vitamin scientific name, then your diseases. Okay, make like this column, everyone. Make like this column fast. Fast. Okay. Right here, vitamin A. Vitamin A is known as retinol. Retinol. What it does? It gives loss of blindness, loss of sight, or you can say blindness. We also say night blindness. Night blindness. It cannot be cured of night blindness. Okay, write this down. Then write here vitamin. Everybody, you can understand my handwriting. Everybody, you can understand my handwriting. Okay, vitamin B. Write fast. Write fast, vitamin B. Okay, right. Vitamin B is known as thiamine. Thiamine, okay. What it does, it causes beriberi. It causes beriberi. What is meant by beriberi? You can say weak muscles, or uh, nahi, and severe weight loss. Severe weight loss. This is vitamin B1, okay? There are different vitamins like vitamin B1, vitamin B2, B3, B6, B5, B12. Okay, B12 is very famous. It has cobalt in it. Write this down, chalo. Everyone write it fast. Fast. Write it. Now write here. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 is called as riboflavin. It causes loss of diet. Right? Fast. Fast. Let me check your comments still at time. Everyone join the class. You can write your weakness also. Weaknesses in everything. Okay. Vitamin B3, niacin. Write fast. Done? Diarrhea. Oh, diarrhea. Write this, then okay, I'll save this first. I'll save it. Here. Diarrhea. Write fast. Okay. Huh. Then your vitamin B5. What it does, it affects brain. Then vitamin B6. Vitamin B6. Write down fast. Vitamin B6, right? What does vitamin B5 does? It affects our brain, okay? If there is a deficiency of vitamin 5, what it does? It affects our brain. Oh, I have not written its name. What? Its name is pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid. Okay. Vitamin B6 is called as pyridoxine. What it does? Anemia. What is meant by anemia? Lack of red blood cells. Lack of red blood cells. Vitamin B7. Hurry up, write this down in your notebook, okay? Because this is not in your PDF, okay? So you need to write it in the live class now. And all of you have completed your backlogs, and have you done revision? I have given you timetable already. How to do the revision? Chalo, vitamin B7. Vitamin B7 is known as biotin. What it does? Um, Redness of skin, itchy skin. Okay. Vitamin B9. Vitamin B9 is known as folic acid. Note this down fast. What does vitamin 9 do? Immature RBCs in red blood cells. I have taught you, sorry, in bone marrow. In bone marrow. I have taught you what we say to immature red blood cells. Tell me fast. What we say, there is a specific name to red blood cells, immature red blood cells, which are in bone marrow. What is its name? Tell me fast. We have to do PYQs also. Fast. You can comment down. Okay, let me check your comment whether you have told me the name. Okay, listen the name. Immature red blood cells are called as reticulocytes. Immature red blood cells are known as reticulocytes. Reticulocytes. Write this down fast. Write this down. Reticulocytes. And that day I taught you now when we were discussing PYQs of tissues. That day we have done this. Okay. Now vitamin B12. Vitamin B12. What it does? Inaccurate or uncommon, you can write uncommon absorption in small intestine. Then vitamin C. Vitamin C is very important. From like each and every fruit, we get vitamin C. Okay, and vitamin C is very means it is very essential for our hair's growth, then eyes, then our skin. Where vitamin C is very essential. Okay, what does vitamin C cause? Scurvy, bleeding, bleeding gums, bleeding gums, atit, like that, bleeding gums. It swells also, swells also, swells sometimes. Okay, swells sometimes. Right, this what vitamin C is called as ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. Vitamin D. What vitamin D causes? Rickets. Rickets means what? Rickets means what? Because of that fractures causes. Oh, you can say poor bones health. Poor bones health. Poor bones health. Rickets. You have seen na? You can see the image on all these diseases. You can see on Google. Okay, you can Google it and see. Means you will remember this. Okay, only just remembering the name, it's not okay. Okay, when you see these images, when you see each and everything, then you'll remember it. Okay, write this down. Note this down. Chalo, fast. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is known as calciferol. Write down first. I'll check your comments till that time. Vitamin, that is vitamin B12. It is okay. Jai Hind, everyone. Jai Hind, everyone. This whatever I'm giving, it's very important. So note this down fast. Note this down. Finished? Vitamin. This is not two. This is not okay. This is vitamin B12. Its scientific name is cyanocoba. See here, cobalt is there. So cobalt component, cobalt element that is present in vitamin B12. Okay, vitamin B12. Write this down. Note this down fast. Then we will do vitamin K and vitamin E. Okay. Vitamin E. What it does? Deplete. Oh, sorry. What it does? Vitamin E. What it does? Reduces RBCs. Reduces RBCs. Note this down. Vitamin K. Vitamin K in our body is very important, huh? Because it helps in blood clotting. It helps in blood clotting. Okay, so vitamin K is very important in our body. Its name is stock of words. Note this down. Fast. You can hear me properly? Yes or no? What does vitamin K does? Blood clotting. So what it will happen here? Slow blood clotting. If vitamin K is reducing, then of course it will be slow blood clotting, bleeding. It will not stop bleeding. If you get hurt or you get some wound, it will not stop bleeding. Okay, it will bleed continuously. Okay, that's why vitamin K is also necessary. Okay, finished. Finish this much. Okay, now write here minerals, and here we will do diseases because of that deficiency, mineral deficiency. Write down calcium. What happens because of calcium? Brittle bones, fractures. You can write weak bone health. Next, phosphorus. Again, same with phosphorus. Poor teeth health, brittle bones. Okay, done with phosphorus. Write down first. They work as the same only. Downright sodium chloride, low water intake. That's why you have to drink more water. Okay, low water intake. Write this down. Let me check your comments. Low water intake, write fast. So I can teach you and we can do PYQs. Now we are recalling, right? Then we can do PYQs. Write fast. Okay, just a minute. Huh? Just a minute. Hello? Nahi. Just a minute, okay? Just